WhatsApp just got a massive AI upgrade. ChatGPT can now hear you. You can now send voice messages and images to ChatGPT for the first time. No more typing. Just speak or snap a photo, and AI processes it instantly. But how does it work? What are its limitations? And why is OpenAI introducing this now? Stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know, including how this could change the future of AI-powered conversations and what even bigger updates might be coming next. Let's get into it. The AI upgrade that's shaking up WhatsApp. For years, ChatGPT has been all about text-based conversations. Whether on OpenAI's website, apps, or other platforms, you had to type everything out. That changed in December 2024 when OpenAI brought ChatGPT to WhatsApp, making it possible to chat with AI right inside the app. But now things just got a whole lot more interesting. With this latest update, you can now send voice messages to ChatGPT instead of typing, upload images for analysis, and still get text-based responses in return. This makes interactions feel way more natural. You talk, AI listens, and responds. If you're dealing with something visual like a receipt, a product label, or even a meme, you can just send a picture and ChatGPT will process it and give you an answer. But there's a catch. ChatGPT still won't reply with voice or images, only text. If you send a voice note, you'll get a text-based response. If you send a picture, ChatGPT can analyze it, but won't generate images in return. Still, this update changes how users interact with AI on WhatsApp, making it more hands-free and dynamic. And this is just the start. There's a lot more to come. So, how do you actually use this feature? OpenAI has kept things incredibly simple. To start chatting with ChatGPT on WhatsApp, users need to save the number 1-800-CHAT-GPT, that's 1-800-242-8478 as a contact. Once saved, they can open WhatsApp, start a chat with that number, and send a voice note or an image just like they would in any regular conversation. ChatGPT will then process the message in real time and reply with a text-based response. That's it. No extra downloads, no complicated setup. The entire experience is designed to feel like messaging a normal contact on WhatsApp. Except in this case, the contact happens to be one of the most advanced AI models available today. However, there's one key limitation. This service is currently optimized only for US phone numbers. Users with a US number get 15 minutes of free AI responses per month. If they want more time, they'll need to create an OpenAI account, which provides additional access and potential benefits. This raises a bigger question. Why is OpenAI making this move now? This update didn't happen overnight. It's part of a larger AI evolution that's been unfolding for years. Back in 2023, OpenAI first introduced voice interaction to ChatGPT through its ChatGPT app, allowing users to talk to the AI in real time. But that was limited to OpenAI's own platform. Meanwhile, WhatsApp, owned by Meta, has been rapidly integrating AI into its messaging ecosystem. In December 2024, OpenAI took the first step toward merging these worlds by launching a text-only ChatGPT experience on WhatsApp. It worked, but it still felt like a stripped-down version of what was possible. Now, with the addition of voice and image support, OpenAI is taking the next logical step, bridging human and AI conversations in a way that feels more natural. But make no mistake, this is still an early version of what's possible. Right now, ChatGPT can listen and see, but it can't talk back or generate images inside WhatsApp. That could change in future updates, and if it does, it could push AI communication to an entirely new level. So how does this actually work? What happens when you send a voice note or an image to ChatGPT? The process is powered by OpenAI's advanced AI models designed to interpret both spoken language and visual content before generating a response. For voice messages, ChatGPT relies on OpenAI's Whisper AI, a powerful speech-to-text model that transcribes audio into text. Once transcribed, ChatGPT processes the text like a standard query and formulates a response. The reason OpenAI is keeping responses text-only for now is that generating natural-sounding AI voice replies requires significantly more computing power, better real-time processing, and more advanced language modeling to ensure conversations feel smooth and realistic. For images, ChatGPT uses AI vision models to analyze and interpret the content. This technology functions similarly to Google Lens or AI-powered image search tools, identifying objects, text, and context within a photo. For example, if a user uploads a picture of a restaurant menu, ChatGPT can help translate the text or suggest dishes based on what it sees. If someone shares a meme, ChatGPT can analyze it and explain the joke or cultural reference behind it. These capabilities are a significant step forward because they eliminate the need for manual input, making AI interactions more seamless. Instead of typing long questions, users can now speak naturally or send a picture, and ChatGPT will handle the rest. This is especially beneficial for people who prefer voice-based communication, as well as those who rely on accessibility tools for digital interactions. However, as promising as this is, limitations still exist. Voice recognition isn't perfect, and it can struggle with strong accents, background noise, or fast speech. Similarly, image analysis has its constraints. While ChatGPT can describe objects and read text, it doesn't always fully understand complex scenes or the deeper context behind visuals. And this leads to an even bigger conversation. ChatGPT's new voice and image support on WhatsApp makes AI interactions more hands-free and versatile for casual users. This means quick, effortless interactions. Whether it's getting recipe ideas while cooking, asking for travel directions, or translating text on the go, AI-powered voice and image recognition make daily tasks smoother. No need to type. Just speak or snap a photo, and ChatGPT will process it instantly. And this is just the beginning. Future updates might bring real-time voice responses, AI-generated images, and even video understanding. We're stepping into an era where AI doesn't just read and type, it listens, sees, and understands context better than ever before. If you found this update exciting, wait until you hear what's coming next. Are we heading toward true Augie or even something beyond? You don't want to miss that. So, if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the future of AI as it happens. Share this video with someone who still thinks AI is just about typing text, because that world is gone. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future isn't coming, it's already here.